Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section. After that, tap on this switcher at the top to enable Bluetooth and select device name. Finally, you can type in wherever you want to and then tap on rename at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!